So when you do a BIOS reset on these particular ones, ThinkPads, you have to undo this back part where your Wi-Fi card or Bluetooth card, I don't know which one it is, but this should be Wi-Fi card, I think. You have to undo this screw as well, it's already undone, which lets you remove. In fact, I'll just undo the battery as well at this time. If you're doing a BIOS reset, you need to take the battery off, obviously. While taking that back screw out, it allows you to take this keyboard up. Yours might differ, you might just have to remove the back cover, which is a bit easier. So you can unplug that keyboard, but I don't need to do it. As you can see, that's your CMOS battery on these models. Sometimes they're actually attached in a battery connector on the motherboard. You just prise them up. On this way, you just prise it loose and undo it there. But sometimes you might have a jumper next to the CMOS chip on the board, but I can't see it on this one. So on this one, I'll just pull that 2-pin plug up, give it a minute, and then put it back in, and that should have reset the CMOS settings. It's a CR2032 on this one. So that's it, I'll just put it back together now.